Alright guys, I'm going to do a cold start on this one right here. It's not really a cold start. I didn't hit the record button, but it didn't run but 2 seconds. The 6.25 Craftsman, self-propelled. Then over here we got a 3.5 Briggs Murray 20. It's a 93 2002. And then this one I have no idea. Here's the information on it. If it don't start after about 5 pulls on the pull, I'll hook the extension cord to it and we'll start it that way. Got a few weed eaters too we'll check out. But here we go. I'm going to put you on the tripod and he's going to go ahead and move it around and stuff. So here we go now. Let's set up on this one. This one smokes. It probably still will because it only ran for a second. But here we go. Yeah, I better prime it again because it only ran a couple seconds. Prime. Here we go. Make sure you guys are staying in focus here. There you go. This is the Murray 20. Alright, this is a 93 Murray 3.5. Here we go. Snowblower now. I have to angle it down a little. Just push up on it. There, let me show you. Oh yeah, there's the snowblower. We're gonna do it now. Actually, I'd like to move you guys. Let's move you guys over here. So you guys can get a little bit better view of it. There you go. Now we're gonna start it. Now, this one we don't want to pull too much, so it's got electric start if we need it. So here we go. This one does have a key switch. Turn it on, and this is primer. Here, suck and fuel up. Now this is 2-stroke, so it will smoke. Put the choke on and give her a yank. Out of gas. It's got gas, it's just
why don't you put gas in the chainsaw? Why not?
Oh well, let's try it again here. key was off. Might have next we're going to go ahead and talk about weed eaters. By the way, these 3 were free this year. Well, that was towards maybe the beginning of this year or the end of last year. These, not that one, but this one, Weed Eater FL25, and a McCullen, not a McCullen, is it? Yeah, it's McCullen. A McCullen MAC 2816. The city was doing their town-wide cleanup, so I took and grabbed them because I knew I could get them running and I wasn't going to junk them or anything. So then I picked up this one last fall, this FL26, and they all 3 run. They're all hot, so they'll start right up anyway. I'm going to go ahead and let him hold this while we do that. There's a chainsaw, but it's out of gas. I ain't going to fool with it. Y'all seen a chainsaw before. Anything else, the bike is in here. We'll do a cold start on it. Generator is buried. I'm not doing cold start on it. This, I've got to get a battery for this. This is the Dixon. I've got another push mower there. And it's not, it doesn't run. It's got carburetor issues. It won't draw fuel. And then of course he's got his Jeep that's dead, and I have to charge it one of these days. I'll charge it up. Anyway, yeah. So we'll do a cold start on this, and we'll start these weed eaters once y'all see them and everything. But yeah, it's amazing what people throw away. I mean, I guess sometimes a fuel line or a pulled. This didn't have a rope in it. And that's why they got rid of this, but that needed this fixed, which I still haven't got it completely fixed. That needed the carb cleaned out. And let's go ahead and put you guys on the tripod here. Put that there. Now, let's get you guys situated here to look at weed eaters. Alright, I'm going to have him go ahead and angle down and zoom in on these as I start them. So, here we go. Alright, this is the McCullen MAC 2816. Ready? Here we go. Choke now. McCullen. Get that out of the way so I don't trip over it. Next is the Weed Eater Featherlight FL25. This came from the same person. It had that fuel line put on it. That one had that fuel line put on it. This 26. This 26 here. It didn't need anything. It just ran. It needed gas. It was all. But we're going to start this one now. This FL25. Here we go. Put it on full choke. This one likes to run on half for a while. So we'll just see. Here we go. Is the FL26. This one actually will run on full on run instead of half choke. Here we go. Go get the scooter ready. So we'll go ahead and
I'm gonna go get my
go
radio.
get the scooter ready to start. Let's zoom out. Hoping the footage he did wasn't too bad for you guys, but well, it's the first time he's ever operated a camera. Let's go ahead and see if the bike will start. Now, remember, this is a 4-stroke, water-cooled Honda, so I'm not even going to touch the throttle. I'm just going to hit the start button. And this has not been started in, I would say, 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. No smoke or nothing. But yeah, 2 weeks that thing has not been started. A bit of a puff of coke smoke there, but we got 2 weeks. Hasn't started. Yeah, there you go. Pretty neat, huh? The truck, I've been driving it now for, I think, a month. Over a month now. The first of the 2nd of May. That radio down there. The 2nd of May we started driving it. Well, actually probably the May 5th or 8th. And oh, I need your help now. Go play. And well, you gonna go put the mowers up for me? Okay. Make sure you put the snowblower in first, because we ain't gonna be using it in July. Oh, I hope not anyway. We've been driving this truck now since I think May 9th, May 8th, somewhere around in there. And last time I showed it when I did the reveal video. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh, you was going to. Come on. There you go. And that's showing 91,788. Looks a little bit different in here. Some stuff in here. A really nice vintage spotlight that I picked up at a yard sale. I put the stereo out of the 92 in it. It looks a lot cleaner inside now. And I've cleaned it up and everything. Yep, and of course, 5-speed, of course. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit of update video. I haven't done a video in a while. I tell you what, I picked up at, I don't know if they have them anywhere else, but we have a store called a Fred's, and I picked up this light, and it is bright. I mean, it's daytime out, and you can see it. It's still, I mean, you can tell it's daylight, and you can see this thing. This thing is really bright, and that's just low. And then you got flash, and then you got high, which is just blindingly bright. Anyway, got, oh, I don't know if I had tail lights in it or not, but they are. And the video of that video, the big reveal, yes, that is the push mower that was in the back of the truck that day. That day I actually got it running, and I mowed all that and all that. Yeah, just put the leaf or the snow. No, you don't have to start it. No, there ain't no need to start it. And I got it running that day, and we mowed this with it too. So we know it's going to run good for us. I had to put new front tires on it because they were wore out. I had a spare in the back. And I found out the gears were going on it, so I had to redo them. Anyway, I guess that pretty much sums it up. And there's no real sunset to see yet. It's too early. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.